Today I'm making a delicious white chocolate cheesecake with orange and dark chocolate digestives. Let's make the cheesecake. Add the cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, eggs, melted white chocolate, orange zest into a food processor and blitz. Pour half of the mixture into the prepared tin, followed by half of the crushed digestive biscuits. Pour in the second half, followed by the second half of crushed digestive biscuits. Put into the oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Pour in this extra white melted chocolate, broken chocolate digestives, orange zest and icing sugar. Delicious white chocolate, orange and chocolate digestive cheesecake. You must give it a try.